Sorry I haven't been posting the past 2 days. It's finals week, so I've just been busy studying. I should be good by Friday. That's when my last exam is, and that's the 12th. So after that, I should be posting back to regular programming, but I haven't had time to post. Whole body, what you doing over there? What you doing over there? Ay, 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 ay. But we're gonna go back to regular. Look at this guy. I need a gate. We're gonna open this, Kai Kai. I finally got to my air fryer. Come here, Kai Kai. Gonna open this. Kai Kai, look. Let's open this. You wanna open this with me? Yeah. Okay, come here. You wanna open this? Come here over there talking about, Mommy, you need to buy an air fryer again. Girl, baby, I already did. Early Christmas present to myself. You got me an air fryer. The brand is this one from Amazon. I got it on Amazon. Kasori. It was on Black Friday deal. So we're gonna open it. Here, Kyler, here. This yo. He's trying to escape. This yours too, Kyler. Hold on, we have to flip this over. Kyler, no. Oh, maybe I'll use this box for Cora's. Cora has the Polar Express that I have to build for her. We probably gonna use this box and paint it. Kyler. No, this is like a good strong box. We have to keep that. So here is my air fryer. Flip this motherfucker over. Flip this motherfucker over. Ooh, here's my little guy. I think this is like 6 quarts. Kai Kai, what you think about this one? Huh? Ooh. Take this off. Caution, do not fill with oil. This is not deep fry. How would we know? The hot crisp plate may fall out when the pan basket over. Do not use the turbo cooking function for thin, lightweight food. Kai Kai, say hi. Look at this guy. But here's my little air fryer. Let me rip this so you guys can see the inside. Ooh, it's so spacious, huh? Where's the little tray thing? Should I have like a tray? Hold up. Where's the tray? The tray is right here, guys. It was under this. So here's the tray. I was about to say they messed up on the packaging, but there's my air fryer with the tray. Something simple.